Hello and welcome to a Pebble Go tutorial. Pebble Go is an emergent reader database. It is broken into four different sections: animals, earth and space, biographies, and social studies. Each is laid out in a similar fashion for easy navigation by students. Let's take a look at one of these databases. When I click on animals, you'll notice on the top left corner there are links to each of the other databases. There's also a search field which students can search by keywords. In the center, there are topic buttons which when moused over will read the topic they have, and when clicked on will dive into subtopics. There are also, to the left sidebar, there are animal of the day, since this topic is animals, but there are articles of the day or biographies of the day for the other topics. There's also a question associated with each topic, and there are games. The games are pretty general, but related to the topic of animals, earth and space, biographies, or social studies. Let's dive into one of these topics so we can see what an article looks like. Let's go to animal habitats. So here we're in animal habitats, and you can see now we've got subtopics. Now let's dive into polar animals. Pardon me. So in polar animals, we can see here we've got the title of our article, and we've got neatly written text with different buttons at the bottom where students can click to see different pages, as well as an image or a video. Notice that each of these text sections does have a button which will read the words to them. Words that are highlighted or in different colors, for example, North Pole, will open up in its glossary, and it will actually read to you. Each of these sections does provide different information, okay, and so on. The sidebar for each section does show you additional sections or additional topics that are associated with the one that you're reading. When we go back, I want you to note that on some, or actually say most of the topics, there is a share what you know button. Okay, so if you click on share what you know, it brings up a pre-generated printout that is specific. See, this one says eagle, specific to the topic in which you're looking at, which students can use to do their research. So you could see here we're talking about birds, the eagles, and we have the body, habitats, food, life cycles, and so on. On the bottom, there's a way to cite the page and print the article. Let's go and look at Earth and space. Here we could see that similar layout with the topics. We look at Earth science, and then maybe Earth features, and then air. Notice here we've got our topics. We have different sections of the article. We have videos. We can print this. We've got other articles associated. You could share what you know. Again, we've got a nice printout that allows students to do some research. And you could cite this article. In biographies, again, a similar fashion, we've got our topics. And we go down, we can see that there are, again, ways for us to listen, print the article, share what you know, a nice printout. Okay, really fantastic stuff. Pebble Go, these four sections, very accessible to young readers, let's say pre-kindergarten through third grade, but no reason that older students can't enjoy the information associated with Pebble Go. So Pebble Go, great online research for independent or group research.